because I noticed that a lot of kids don't know how to act around animals. Every time like a kid is near my mother, I'm like, no, don't put your hand in his mouth.
Sometimes it's tough to know how to include satin in your personal styles, so I'll be showing you some tips on how to make it work for you. Our beautiful model today will be Stefania.
Hi!
Hey! So let's get started. Our first location is going to be date night, and naturally we want something a bit on the flashy side and more drama than the everyday look. I would definitely go for this satin off-shoulder blouse, which elongates your neck. Pair it together with this satin burgundy skirt, which is a little bit flirty and romantic, yet not overdoing it. A great way to style up satin to make it look more professional and work appropriate is to add a blazer. But not just any blazer. To keep it trendy yet relaxed, choose an oversized blazer with padded shoulders. Our third occasion is school, and you want to make sure you don't look like you're in your pajamas, but you still want to be comfy. I would choose a soft, cozy knitted sweater together with a satin skirt. Add a pair of your favorite cool sneakers so you can easily run between classes. If you love these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up or comment below what you'd like to see more of. And the perfect way to add satin into your everyday style is to add denim. Then just pop on a stylish coat and you're all set. Our fifth and final look is one you can wear to wow at any big event. I mean, who doesn't love a party? I would definitely go for a slip dress and combine it with a chiffon or a transparent top to not feel too naked and stay classy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also comment what styling tips you want to see next. If you need to vamp up your outfit a bit, I would suggest adding a satin scarf. And I would just tie it around the neck like this.